wondered where all your waste goes? Wouldn't it make sense to convert your waste into something useful without moving it? Think of the energy and resources saved. Here at AGT, that is precisely what we do. We replace waste trucks with our state-of-the-art anaerobic digestion systems. We call them T3, trash to treasure. T3 digesters turn your food and vegetable waste into fuel. We have made an appliance every hotel, hospital, institute, industry and even temple should have. Well, any setup with a large kitchen can use this on-site waste manager. Load your waste into T3 every day and the system does the rest. T3 has a unique design that creates a controlled environment for the efficient conversion of this waste into energy. The waste is loaded into a system where it is shredded and pre-processed in a buffer tank, finally finding its way into the digester where the bacteria eat it. This process makes biogas and biofertilizer from your waste. You can pipeline the biogas directly to your kitchen where it can be used as a fuel for cooking, directly replacing LPG. The digested slurry can also be used in your garden or landscape area as a biofertilizer. A unique phone app is designed to remotely monitor and record plant data on a daily basis, enabling smooth operations at all times. So the advantages of T3 is that it replaces LPG with clean biogas, it reduces cost, helps maintain hygiene and sanitation, and enhances sustainability. Imagine a world where waste is a fuel, where everyone can generate their own energy. Now that's the kind of world we are trying to create.